If you're over the age of 50, you've probably noticed that the world is changing faster than ever before. The cost of living keeps rising, retirement seems to get more expensive every year, and many people are beginning to realize that relying on a single paycheck may not be enough to provide long-term financial security. For decades, the traditional advice was simple: work hard, stay loyal to your employer, save money, and retire comfortably. Unfortunately, for many people, reality hasn't worked out exactly that way. Unexpected layoffs, economic uncertainty, inflation, and increasing expenses have caused millions of Americans to start looking for ways to create additional streams of income. The good news is that thanks to the internet, there are now opportunities available that simply didn't exist 20 or 30 years ago. Today, it is possible to earn money from the comfort of your own home, even if you have no previous online business experience, no advanced technical skills, and no college degree. Many of these opportunities can be started part-time while keeping your current job, allowing you to build extra income without taking major risks. Before we get into today's list, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who may benefit from this information. My goal is to help you discover practical ways to improve your financial future and create more freedom as you move toward retirement. Now, before choosing any side hustle, I want you to think about 3 important questions. First, what do you genuinely enjoy doing? Second, what are you naturally good at? And third, what would people actually be willing to pay for? The most successful side hustles are usually found where these 3 things overlap. As we go through today's 6 opportunities, keep those questions in the back of your mind because one of these side hustles may be a perfect fit for your personality, interests, and life experience. The first side hustle is YouTube content creation. Now, before you dismiss this idea and think it's only for young people, consider this. Millions of viewers are actively searching for information every single day, and many of them prefer learning from people who have years of real-world experience. YouTube has become one of the most powerful platforms for generating online income because it allows ordinary people to share knowledge, tell stories, teach skills, and help others solve problems. Once a channel qualifies for monetization, creators can earn revenue from advertisements that appear on their videos. However, advertising income is only one part of the opportunity. Many creators also earn money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, memberships, and digital products. The best part is that you don't need expensive equipment to get started. Many successful channels began with nothing more than a smartphone and basic editing software. Whether you're passionate about personal finance, gardening, cooking, travel, faith, retirement planning, health, DIY projects, or hobbies, there are people searching for that information right now. The key is providing value and remaining consistent. When you help people solve problems, build skills, or improve their lives, you naturally attract an audience over time. The second side hustle is affiliate marketing, which is one of the simplest online business models available today. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by recommending products or services that other companies sell. When someone purchases through your referral link, you receive a percentage of the sale. Many people look down on affiliate marketing, forgetting that it made Jeff Bezos become one of the richest men alive in the year 2018. One reason affiliate marketing has become so popular is because you don't need to create products, carry inventory, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. Instead, your job is simply to connect people with products and services that can genuinely help them. You can promote affiliate products through YouTube videos, blogs, social media platforms, email newsletters, or online communities. There are affiliate opportunities available in almost every niche imaginable, including health, technology, business, finance, education, personal development, and more. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale provide access to thousands of products that can be promoted. The most important thing to remember is that trust matters. People are far more likely to purchase products when recommendations come from someone they trust. That's why successful affiliate marketers focus on helping people first and selling second. The third side hustle is creating and selling digital products. This business model allows you to create something once and potentially sell it again and again without worrying about inventory, shipping, or manufacturing costs. Digital products can include ebooks, planners, templates, checklists, guides, workbooks, printables, and online courses. Think about the knowledge you've gained throughout your life. Have you developed a budgeting system that works? Have you learned valuable lessons about retirement planning, fitness, gardening, parenting, organization, or business? If your knowledge can help someone save time, save money, avoid mistakes, or achieve a goal faster, there's a good chance people would be willing to pay for it. The key is solving a problem. Every successful product solves a problem or fulfills a need. Once you've identified a problem people are facing, you can create a solution and package it into a digital product. One of the most attractive features of digital products is scalability. Since there are no physical items involved, you can sell the same product to hundreds or even thousands of customers without increasing production costs. The fourth side hustle is building membership communities. Humans naturally seek connection, support, and belonging. Membership communities allow you to bring together people who share a common interest while creating a recurring source of income. Members pay a monthly or annual fee in exchange for access to exclusive content, training, resources, discussions, or coaching. Communities can be built around almost any topic, including fitness, faith, investing, gardening, business education, personal development, crafts, and retirement planning. What makes this model attractive is the recurring revenue it creates. Instead of constantly searching for new customers, you focus on delivering value to existing members who continue renewing their memberships. Over time, a strong community can become both financially rewarding and personally fulfilling because you're helping people learn, grow, and connect with others who share their interests. The fifth side hustle is coaching and consulting. One advantage people over 50 have is experience. You've likely spent decades learning valuable lessons, overcoming challenges, developing skills, and gaining insights that others can benefit from. Coaching allows you to use that knowledge to help people achieve their goals while generating income. Many people assume they need advanced certifications or special credentials before they can coach others, but that's not always the case. Often, being just a few steps ahead of someone else is enough to provide meaningful guidance. Coaching opportunities exist in areas such as career development, retirement planning, financial wellness, health and fitness, business growth, personal development, and life transitions. Whether you choose one-on-one coaching, group programs, workshops, or online courses, the goal is the same: helping people move from where they are today to where they want to be tomorrow. The sixth and final side hustle is e-learning and online education. The demand for online learning continues to grow as people seek new skills to improve their careers, businesses, and personal lives. This creates two opportunities. The first is learning valuable digital skills, such as content creation, digital marketing, social media management, email marketing, automation, and online business development. The second opportunity is teaching those skills to others once you've gained experience. Knowledge has become one of the most valuable assets in today's economy, and people are willing to invest in education that helps them achieve better results. By continuously learning and sharing what you know, you can create multiple income opportunities while staying competitive in a rapidly changing world. As we wrap up today's lesson, remember that building an additional income stream after the age of 50 is not about getting rich overnight. It's about creating greater financial flexibility, reducing stress, and giving yourself more options for the future. Whether you choose YouTube, affiliate marketing, digital products, membership communities, coaching, or online education, the most important step is taking action. Many people spend years thinking about opportunities without ever getting started. The people who succeed are usually the ones who choose a path, learn the necessary skills, and stay consistent over time. Small actions taken consistently can produce remarkable results. The best time to start building a second source of income isn't someday, it's today. Thank you for watching, and if you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share it with someone who may benefit from it, and subscribe for more practical tips on building income and preparing for a stronger financial future. I'll see you in the next lesson.